Have you ever found yourself sitting at your desk during a long afternoon, staring at your screen while your mind feels completely scrambled and feeling an overwhelming urge to just keep your hands moving? It happens to every single one of us. But instead of clicking a noisy pen 50 times a minute or tapping your feet until the whole floor shakes, there is a much brighter, happier, and deeply satisfying way to channel that nervous energy. Diving into the world of vibrant, colorful sensory fidget toys is one of the quickest ways to instantly reset your brain, lower your daily stress levels, and bring a massive burst of joy straight to your workspace. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the ultimate bright sensory collection, exploring the absolute coolest, most colorful, and endlessly satisfying tactile gadgets that you can gather, build, and play with to turn any stressful day into a fun, relaxing experience. Before we start exploring all the amazing toys in this bright collection, we have to talk about why colorful sensory play is so powerful for your brain in the first place. When you are feeling stressed or overwhelmed, your nervous system is essentially looking for a gentle, rhythmic outlet to help you process all that extra mental energy. Engaging your hands with different textures, bright neon colors, and smooth mechanical movements creates a gentle, grounding sensory loop that pulls your mind away from anxious thoughts and grounds you right in the present moment. Bright colors like sunny yellow, vibrant turquoise, hot pink, and lime green trigger instant feelings of happiness, while the tactile feedback of squishing, popping, spinning, and flexing gives your hands a fun, effortless task. Let us kick off our colorful showcase with the undisputed royalty of the sensory world, which is the giant rainbow pastel poppet grid. We have all seen classic poppets before, but when you upgrade to a giant multicolored grid featuring a full spectrum of bright rainbow shades, the sensory experience goes to a whole new level. As you run your fingers across the flexible silicone surface, pressing each soft bubble down, your ears get treated to that sharp, crisp popping sound that instantly releases tension. The real magic of a high-quality multicolored poppet lies in the contrast between its two sides, because one side gives you a deep, quiet, velvety push that is perfect for discreet fidgeting during quiet study time, while flipping it over to the other side gives you a loud, snappy, hyper-satisfying click that acts like instant sound therapy. You can play fun games with the rainbow pattern, popping all the yellow bubbles first, then moving through the pinks, purples, and blues, turning a simple stress reliever into a visually stunning, rhythmic pattern game. Transitioning from soft silicone to smooth mechanical motion, our next star feature is the bright neon articulated flexi slug. If you have never held an articulated flexi fidget, prepare to have your mind completely blown by how fluid and lively it feels in your hands. Crafted from dozens of interlocking, colorful plastic rings that wave and wiggle seamlessly together, this vibrant little creature feels almost like smooth, liquid plastic gliding through your fingers. As you shake, roll, and twist the bright neon segments back and forth, the plastic rings gently tap against each other, producing a fast, clackety-clack ASMR sound that is wildly addictive to listen to. The continuous wave motion engages your whole hand, making it impossible to put down while you are reading, brainstorming, or watching a movie. If you love soft, doughy textures that you can melt between your fingers, nothing beats the dreamy sensation of a rainbow jelly cube stress ball. Imagine holding a clear, squishy sphere packed full of tiny, brightly colored foam cubes that look like floating pastel sugar candies. When you squeeze the outer casing, the soft foam cubes compress down under your fingers with a gentle, pillowy resistance, and as you release your grip, they slowly expand back into shape while making a soft, squishy sound. To make the visual experience even cooler, many of these bright jelly cube squishies feature vibrant gradient colors, so every time you press down, the pinks, yellows, and mint greens swirl together to create a dynamic, moving color storm right in the palm of your hand. Moving right along to mechanical puzzles that keep your mind and fingers moving in perfect harmony, we have to talk about the bright pastel infinity cube. This clever gadget consists of 8 small, vibrant plastic cubes connected by flexible, smooth hinges that allow you to flip, fold, and roll the block continuously using just one hand. The beauty of a brightly colored infinity cube is its endless, seamless movement, because no matter which way you fold the hinges, the cube effortlessly opens up into a new configuration without ever getting stuck. You can roll it through your fingers in a continuous loop while taking a call or studying for a test, and because the lightweight plastic hinges operate in near total silence, it provides a discreet, colorful way to stay focused without distracting anyone around you. For those moments when you crave maximum tactile crunch alongside vibrant visual flair, the Neon Floam Stress Ball takes center stage. Floam is a unique sensory compound made by infusing soft, clear stretch slime with thousands of microscopic, brightly colored foam beads. When sealed inside a durable, crystal-clear outer balloon, squeezing this sensory power combo gives you 2 distinct feelings at once, combining the smooth, liquid stretch of the inner slime with the crisp, crackly crunch of the mini foam beads. As you knead and compress the ball, the tiny neon beads rub against each other, creating a rich ASMR crackle that feels like squeezing a cloud made of popping boba, while the bright colors shift and dance beneath the clear surface. If you want a fidget that is super portable, ridiculously cute, and clips right onto your backpack or pencil case, the bright silicone pea pod popper is an absolute must-have accessory. Shaped like a vibrant lime green pea pod, this little sensory gadget features 3 small, smooth rubber peas tucked snugly inside the outer shell. When you squeeze the sides of the pod, the cute little peas pop their heads out with a smooth, bouncy motion. And the moment you release your squeeze, they slide right back inside their cozy green home. To make it even more delightful, the middle pea usually features a tiny smiling face printed right on the front, giving you a funny little surprise every single time you pop it out during a stressful moment. Taking a creative turn into satisfying liquid motion, the multicolored dual-drip oil motion timer offers a mesmerizing visual reset for overstimulated eyes. Housed inside a clear, durable acrylic hourglass frame, this colorful desk gadget contains 2 non-mixing liquid layers in vivid shades like electric blue and bright magenta. As you flip the timer upside down, heavy, colorful oil droplets slowly cascade down a series of zigzagging spiral ramps, bouncing and sliding in a slow, rhythmic dance until they settle at the bottom. Watching the bright drops fall one by one creates a soothing visual rhythm that naturally slows down your racing thoughts, making it the perfect 2-minute desk companion whenever you need to take a quick mental breather. For anyone who loves building, shaping, and transforming shapes with their hands, the bright plastic snake twist puzzle is a classic sensory masterpiece that never gets old. Made of 24 triangular wedges connected by spring-loaded bolts, this long, colorful ribbon of plastic can be twisted and turned in every direction to construct hundreds of cool geometric shapes. You can fold the vibrant alternating colors into a sharp ball, a slithering cobra, a geometric star, or a cute little dog, engaging both sides of your brain as you solve spatial puzzles while enjoying the crisp, tactile click of the joints snapping into place. To make sure your colorful fidget collection stays clean, bright, and performing at its absolute best for a long time, maintaining your sensory toys with a few simple care hacks is key. Over time, soft silicone poppets, rubber stress balls, and sticky gel squishies tend to attract dust, carpet fibers, and lint from being handled continuously. When your favorite squishy starts feeling dusty or sticky, never throw it away, because restoring it to brand new condition takes less than 2 minutes. Simply wash your silicone and rubber fidgets in a bowl of warm, soapy water, gently rubbing away any surface dirt, and pat them dry with a clean microfiber towel. Once dry, dust soft rubber toys with a tiny pinch of cornstarch or baby powder, which instantly removes any annoying surface stickiness and leaves your fidgets feeling velvety, smooth, and ready for action once again. Storing your bright sensory collection in an organized, beautiful way is another fantastic way to boost your daily joy and keep your desk looking aesthetic. You can turn a plain plastic drawer organizer, a clear acrylic display box, or a divided desktop tray into a dedicated fidget station, sorting your toys by texture, color, or sensory type. Keeping your squishies, clickers, spinners, and popping toys neatly arranged in bright pastel compartments not only protects them from getting lost or damaged under heavy books, but also allows you to quickly scan your collection and grab the exact tactile tool your brain needs at any given moment. Carefully scatter miniature dried daisy heads, tiny faux pearls, and pastel glitters along the narrow channels of the hair clip mold. Slowly pour your clear resin over the elements, taking your time so the liquid crowns slightly at the top without spilling over the narrow silicone walls. This slight crowning effect creates a gorgeous, smooth, domed glass finish once cured. After peeling the hardened resin strips from the mold, apply a strong jewelry adhesive across the top flat plate of a metal alligator clip. Press your resin piece firmly onto the metal and allow the glue to dry completely. The end result is a vintage-inspired floral hair clip that looks incredibly chic and effortlessly stylish. Beyond the immediate fun of collecting these vibrant gadgets, making sensory play a natural part of your daily routine helps build long-term emotional resilience and mindfulness. When you take just a few intentional minutes to pause, breathe, and focus entirely on the soothing click of a puzzle or the soft resistance of a squishy ball, you give your mind a necessary break from constant digital screens and mental fatigue. This quick tactile break acts like a gentle reboot button, relaxing your shoulders, slowing your breathing, and clearing away the fog of an overwhelming afternoon. By keeping these colorful companions right on your desk or tucked inside your bag, you create an inviting, playful sanctuary that reminds you to pause, stay grounded, and embrace small moments of joy whenever you need them most. At the end of the day, gathering and playing with colorful fidget toys is not just a silly viral trend, but a wonderful, accessible, and joyful form of self-care that honors how your brain and body work together. Adding a splash of bright color, dynamic movement, and satisfying sound to your daily routine gives you a healthy, fun way to process stress, boost your focus, and bring a little extra playfulness into your life. Whether you prefer the crisp click of an articulated slug, the quiet fold of an infinity cube, or the soft crunch of a floam ball, having your favorite sensory gadgets nearby ensures that an instant mental reset is always right within reach. So gather your favorite bright colors, explore new sensory textures, test out these awesome toys, and go make your day a whole lot brighter and less stressful today.